Welcome to the class. Students, in the very last video we have seen two examples. One was from the text form the example and one was out of the text. And then we have seen how to find the semi-perimeter, how to find the third side if it is not given. And also we have find the area of triangle, right? So in this video students, basically we are going to see the sum, that is the, if you see in your textbook students, the page number 203, it is a 12 and it says 12.1. The sum number 5th, that is the sides of triangle are in the ratio of 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. This is the sum which is there in your textbook, page number 203, which is the 5th sum of exercise 12.1. And we are going to solve this sum. So students, as we have seen in this sum, we have sides of triangle and these sides are given in form of ratio. The new thing in the sum is these sides are given in the form of ratio. And now we are given the perimeter. So again you need to find basically a side of this triangle because this is a ratio form. Moreover, you have been given perimeter and you need to find this semi-perimeter. And along with you need to find the area of triangle. So basically we will find three things over here. So very first thing we will write what things which we are given to us. So we will write that. So we are solving this example 1. Okay. So first we need to write that suppose the sides, so we will write it, suppose the sides are, and as is a ratio form, we will write in this way, it is suppose the sides of triangle, the sides of triangle, the sides of triangle are, see what we are, I am going to do here, I am going to write 12, 17 and 25 is 12x, 17x and 25x. So are 12x, 17x and 25x, right? Now this we are getting because we have been given in ratio form and we need a proper size. So along with we are given perimeter. So when I write over it, perimeter is nothing but equal to 540 centimeter. This is what we are given. Now the very first thing in this sum which we are going to find is the sides. For that what we will do, we know the perimeter. So I can write over that 540 it is 540 is nothing but equal to, this is nothing but perimeter is nothing but equal to side A plus B plus C. Now 540 and the side is nothing but 12x plus 17x plus 25x. Now what I will do, I will to sum up all of this, the value of x. What I am going to get is about 54. So if I sum up all of this sum numbers, it is 12 plus 17 plus 25. The total is 54 and remember there is x behind it. So I am writing over here is 54x. Now what we need to find? We are finding the value of x over here. So I'm writing here is 5540 divide by 54 or is nothing but equals to x. We write that x is nothing but equals to 10. See students, if you see it is 54 multiplied by 10 nothing but equals to 540. So I am getting over the value of x is nothing but equal to 10. Now I am going to keep all of this value of x into the size which we have been given. It is respectively 12x, 17x and 25x. So I am writing over here sides, that is first I will tell you about side A, nothing but 12x, so 12x, nothing but 12 into 10, so basically replacing x with the value which we have been find over here, that will be equal to 120 centimeter. And similarly if you go for B, it is nothing but 17x, so 17x is equals to 70 into 10, nothing but equals to 170 centimeter. Same as if I go for C, that is nothing but about 25x, so writing over here 25x, that will be 25 multiplied by 10 is nothing but equals to 250 centimeter. So respectively we are getting over three sides. Side A is 120 centimeter, side B is 170 and side C is 250 centimeter. Now this how we are getting the sides. Now the next thing is, I told you we need to find sides because this is given a ratio form. Now we need to find the semi-perimeter because we have been given the perimeter over here which is 540 centimeter. So we are going to find semi-perimeter and we know how we can find this. We can find this as 2s is nothing but equals to 540. So s is nothing but equal to, but obviously it is 270 centimeter. So we can say the semi-perimeter is nothing but our semi-perimeter and nothing but equals to s equal to 70 centimeter. Now as I told you, we need to find semi-perimeter. This is almost done. We need to find sides. It is also done. Now we need to find about the formula. So we know we need to find s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So I'll write over here that we are going to find s minus a. So it will be s minus a is nothing but equal to, so s is basically 270 minus, it is 120 is nothing but equal to 150 centimeters. Similarly we are going to find s minus p and that is nothing but equal to 270 minus 170, it is nothing but equals to 100 centimeter. Same as s minus c, it is 270 minus 250, it is nothing but 270 minus 250, nothing but equals to 20 centimeter. Now we know whenever we get all of these values, what next is the thing we need to do? This is s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Now we need to apply all of these values which we have found over here in the given formula. And the given formula as we know is area of triangle and nothing but S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and we know the value of S also. So I let you know the value of S. This S is nothing but 270. So 270 multiplied by 150 multiplied by 100 and multiplied by 20. Now the very crucial step of the sum is you need to factorize it very well. See why it is important to factorize very well, because if it is mistake over here, the answer may change. So we factorize this sum. These values, see, understand, if I need to factorize 270 and I am writing factorization over here, right? If I need to factorize 270, then how will be factorization? See, basically 270, if you factorize it, it will be somehow 90 into 3, 270. It is 90 into 3, right? And again if I go and factorize 90, it is nothing but equal to 30 into 3 into 3. If I factorize 30, I'll get 10 into 3 into 3 multiplied by 3. And if I factorize 10 further, I'll get 5 2s are 10. So I'm writing here 5 into 2 into 3 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3. Now if you check whether this is done properly or not, then 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. 30 multiplied by 3 is nothing but equals to 90, and 90 multiplied by 3 is nothing but equals to 270. So I'm writing this over here as 5 into 3 into 3 multiplied by 3. That is when multiplied by 2. This is how we are able to factorize 270. Now we'll see the factorization of 150. So if I factorize 150, students, it is basically nothing but 5 into 30, that is 150. Now 5 can be factorized, but 30 can be factorized. It can be written as 15 multiplied by 2. It is 15 multiplied by 2. It is nothing but equal to 30. If I factorize 15 further, what I get? 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. Now try to sum up this. 5 into 15, right? 15 into 10 is nothing but equals to 150. Now write this in how will I able to see? First, I add over 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. This is the factorization of 150. Similarly, we will see the factorization of 100. So since 100 is quite easy if we go on this factorization. 100 is nothing but, see, 100 is nothing but 25 into 2. 25 means 5 into 5. Right? This is simplest factorization. 5 by 22 is nothing but equals to, sorry, yes, 50 into 2. Okay. 50 into 2 is nothing but equals to 100, and if I factorize this, then it will become 25 into 2 into 2, and this will be 5 multiplied by 5 into 2 multiplied by 2. This 25 multiplied by 2, 50, 50 by 2 is equal to 100. So I am writing this over here, multiplied by So this is how we can factorize 100. Now if I go factorization of 20, it is quite simple. 10 into 2 is nothing but equal to 20. That is 10 into 2. That is 20. And 5 into 2 into 2 means again 20. Then I do here 5 into 2 multiplied by 2. So students, this is how we can simply factorize this. Now try to pair of this as you have done in previous sums. See, this 3 into 3 will be one of the pair, right? Again this 2 into 2 will be the one of the pair. 5 into 5, 5 into 5, 2 into 2, 2 multiplied. Now I am just highlighting this as this 5 is making pair with this, and this 3 will make pair with this 3. So students, I can write further as this one of the pair, which is 5, multiplied by this second pair, 3. Again this and this makes a pair, so one more 3 will come over here. Simultaneously this 2 multiplied by this 5 multiplied by 5. This 5 multiplied by 2 and further multiplied by 2. So students will get 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 into 5 into 5. This is how we will get the answer. Now simply multiply all of this thing. That is, see, this will become 15, this will become 6, 25 and 4. And if you try to multiply all of this in our students, you are going to get the answer, that is 9,000. Yes, the answer is about 9,000. Remember, we'll write this as 9,000 centimeter square. And this will be your final answer. So with this students, I can say that the area of the given triangle is nothing but 9,000 centimeter square. So we'll quickly recall the sum. We have seen that we were given sides in form of ratio, and on that we were given perimeter, and we need to find the area. Then what we did? The very first thing we did is about to find the sides. So we had given sides, we named it as 12x, 7x, and 25x respectively, and we were given parameters. Then what we did? We did apply the formula as parameters equal to side, the addition of all the sides. It is 540 in addition of all the sides. After all, I am getting the value of x as 10. I am getting this value of 10 as x in all of the sums. I am getting a respectively as 120, b as 170, and c as 250. Now, this how I am getting the sums. Now, what next I need to find semi-perimeter? So, that is nothing but I am getting is 270 centimeter. Then, we need to find s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. After that, I am getting this perspective. And I am getting all of this value in the sum, factorizing in very detail, we are getting the answer as 9,000 centimeters. This is how we can solve the very fifth sum of your exercise 12 point. We are going to do the second sum. That is, this is basically the, I will say that it is the very second sum at 12.1, and that is second sum, which is you need to find that there is a triangular side of the wall. See, while I am reading, just you can see the diagram, you will be able to see the triangular wall in the diagram, which is very well mentioned in the figure 12.9. So, the question is, the triangular side of the wall of a flyover has been used for advertisement, and the side of these walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter respectively. So basically we are given over here the sides of the wall. Now the advertisement yields an earning of rupee 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So basically, if you see the figure 12.9, you will be able to see a flyover. There you will be able to see a triangular wall. So that triangular wall is been given for advertisement, and the size of the triangular wall has been given to us. Then it has been said to us that the company, that if a company is hiring that wall for advertisement, but the price, the rent for is 5,000 per meter per year, and a company needs to hire that wall for 3 months. So what sum of rent will the company pay for this? This is what the sum is, and we need to find the rent. But for finding the rent, we need to find each and everything as we have done before. We need to find the sides as it has been given. We need to find the area of this triangular wall, and then we can come to the conclusion that what exact rent the company is going to pay for the 3 months. So now students, we start this sum. Okay. So first, the very basic thing which we need to do is, we need to find the area of this wall. We need to find we need to find first of all the area of the wall. For finding the area of the wall, what will do? We know the formula, right? So first we'll find the perimeter, right? The perimeter. So even we can find the perimeter as the addition of all the sides divided by 2. But here we can find another way, it is 2s is nothing but equal to sum of all the sides. It is a plus b plus c. So 2s equals to a plus b plus c. And we have been given over here what is A, what is B, what is C. So I am writing here what is A. So I can say that A is 122 meter, plus B is 22 meter, plus C is 120 meter. Right? This remains as it is. And if I total all of this, I am going to get about 264 meter. Now similarly, dividing 264 by 2, I am going to get semi-perimeter S 132 meter. I am going to get 132 meter. So I can say this is my A. Writing over here A, B, and this is C. Now this is how we will find the perimeter. Now next thing which we are going to do is, we are going to find, apply this in the formula. For that we find S, and this is perimeter. So S minus A, it is 132, minus A, it is 122. equal to 10 meter. S minus B is nothing but equals to 132 minus 22, that is nothing but equal to 110 meter. And the next is S minus C is 132 minus 120. It is nothing but equal to about 12 meter. So hence we are getting this. The very next step which we need to do over here is we need to apply all of this in the formula, right? So as we know the formula, that is the area of the wall. The area of the triangular wall will be S into S minus C. Similarly, writing the formula S minus B multiplied with S minus C. Now keep all of these values inside it. It is S is nothing but 132, and you can see S minus A is 10 centimeter multiplied with 10. S minus B is 110 meter multiplied with 110, and similarly if we go for S minus C, it will be 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. Right? Now we need to factorize it, or we can take LCM of this. And as I take LCM of these students, I can tell this that the LCM of 132 will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. This will be the LCM. So if you calculate this, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 into 11 will be equal to 132. Similarly, we will go for 10, it is quite easy. I can take this 5 2 is 10, and if I go for 110, then the factorization of this will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 11, right? This will be the factorization of 110. Now, if we go for 12, it will be 2 into 3 multiplied by 2. Right? This will be the factorization. Right? This is the factorization. Now make sure we are going to make pair of this. So this 2 and 2 will make pair. This 11 and 11 will make pair again. This 2 and 2, this 5 and 5. If we go for this 3, this 3 will make pair, and at last you can say that this 2 and this 2 will make pair. Now let factorize. I will just write in a very simple form. That will be 2 of this, 2 multiplied by 3. With this it makes multiplied by 11 multiplied by 5 by 2 by 2. Right? Now, if I multiply all of this, answer I am going to get is 1320. can check it out. 1320 meter square. This will be your answer. It will be the answer for the area of triangular one. Remember students, we need to find over here how much rent does he pay for 3 months. So students, so now a very simple thing which we are going to understand. The 5,000 rupees is an amount for per meter per year, right? And we need to find it for 3 months, and we know that 1 year, that means it have 12 months, and we need for 3 months. So I can write over here as for 12 months. It is about 5,000. I can write this as per meter square, right? And I need that 3 months, and this I am not knowing it, or I can write simply this as question mark because I am knowing it. For 3 months, how much I need to pay? So if I try to find this, it will be rupee 5,000 per meter square. That will be there. 5,000 per meter square into 3. That is equal to 3 months. Dividing whole of this, and basically even for 3 months you are going to get this value for per meter square. So writing over per meter square, wholly divided by 12. I am writing here is 12. What I am going to get? The final answer for this will be 1,250. 1250 per meter square. This will what I am going to get for per meter square. But remember, we have the area, and we need to find as per the area of triangle. So as per the area of triangle, I can say what and I need to pay is, so the cost, so the rent will be nothing but I need to multiply this 1250 by this. That is our area. It is 1320. Right? So the answer for this will be about this will be the answer. So students, the final answer for what you are finding is what amount of rent will you pay? Will the company pay? This amount of rent, this amount of rent company will pay for a triangular wall for about 3 months. So students, this is how we can solve this sum. Quickly we will review for this sum. So what we have done till now, we have find the semi perimeter. By that we were able to find s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Plotting this of this values in the formula, I am finally getting this sum of this 1320 meter square, and then we have been asked for 3 months. So for that we need for 12 months is 5,000 per meter square. Then what would be for 3 months? For 3 months will be about this amount. So this amount of rent, this amount, and after that multiplying this with the area, we are going to get this sum amount of rupee that will be the rent that company will pay for 3 months rent. This is how students can solve this. So students, homework for this video is, in this today you need to solve, yes, the example number 3 and 2 in your textbook. Example number 3 and 2, which is as similar as the sum which we have been solved before, that is the fifth sum of your exercise and the second sum. It is as same as that. So you need to solve example 2 and 3 in example in your textbook. So students, this is all for the video. See you in the next video.